Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to text yourself in WhatsApp using an easy method. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type me/ followed by your complete phone number, including your country code but without any plus signs or dashes. For example, for a US number, it would be me/ 12,345,678,900. Press Enter, and then select Continue to Chat to instantly open a new chat with yourself. It's a simple, two-step process. Another straightforward way to text yourself is by saving your own number as a contact. Simply go to your phone's Contacts app and create a new entry for yourself. Give it an easy-to-find name, perhaps My WhatsApp Notes or just Me. Once saved, open WhatsApp, navigate to your contacts, and search for the name you just assigned. You can then start a chat with yourself, just like any other contact, in less than 1 minute. Texting yourself on WhatsApp offers numerous practical benefits. It's an excellent way to jot down quick notes, create a shopping list, or set reminders that you'll see frequently. You can also use it as a personal cloud storage, sending yourself important links, photos, or documents to access across devices. Many people also use it to draft messages, ensuring their words are perfect before sending them to friends or colleagues, saving valuable time. To make the most of your self-chat, consider these helpful tips. Pin your conversation to the top of your WhatsApp chat list so it's always readily available. For crucial information within the chat, use the star message feature to easily find it later. If you send yourself many photos or videos, create a specific folder in your phone's gallery to keep them organized. And always remember to back up your WhatsApp chats to ensure your valuable notes are safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.